Hi, it's Kelly Alexander, brand ambassador for Spinelli Nissan in Point Claire, and today we're going to show you what having your vehicle washed at Spinelli really means. Shampooing the carpets is very important to remove salt, dirt, moisture, stains, and smell from the inside of your car. This needs to be done at least once a year to keep your vehicle in tip-top shape. Do you remember how sparkly and new your car looked on the first day you drove it off the lot? Well, to keep that look all year round, we apply wax and clay bar treatments to remove road grime that builds up. It's also a great way to protect the paint from UV rays and acid rain. This treatment should be done twice a year. Spinelli Nissan will keep your wheels looking like silver bullets by providing a deep clean to your mags by removing those small dust particles that cling and bake onto the mag, which if not dealt with over time, will make it nearly impossible to keep your wheels looking shiny and sharp. Aquapel is a product applied to the windshield which lasts 4 months. It allows water to flow off the window surface without using the wipers. This is a great feature to have, especially when the roads are grimy. You'll also save on windshield washer fluid and won't have dirty streaks running across your field of view. And speaking of windshields, Spinelli Nissan also offers windshield repair to deal with those pesky small chips and scratches and full replacement if the need arises. And they will work with you and your insurance company to have the windshield repaired, often at no cost. And if any work is done on your windshield, Spinelli offers free repairs for life on that vehicle at any Vitre Expert location throughout Quebec. And don't forget that Spinelli can also help repair small dents and scratches so that your car's bare metal is not exposed to the elements, which over time results in rust and deterioration. And the good news is that if your car does need repairs, you won't be without it for several weeks, which is often the case when dealing with a collision center. So come to Spinelli Nissan, where a car wash means more than running soapy water across your hood. For more details and great customer care, come speak to the team at Spinelli, 345 Brunswick Boulevard in Point Claire, right across from the Fairview Shopping Center. Spinelli Nissan, excellence at the best price.